So I've been using Snapchat for Android for quite a bit of time and I've tested it on so many different devices out there. And I've never seen so much improvement in 1 year than basically the past year. And it's actually been pretty insane. Now I just installed Snapchat on my Pixel 6a and I was kind of using it, kind of maneuvering it through with it, just, basic stuff. And I'm actually kind of excited to see how many changes have actually been implemented. And one of the biggest things that I saw was actually with the quality. The quality within Snapchat right now for Android has never been better. I think it's because of two things. One, the application getting improvements, probably I think since 2 years ago with its major rehaul, but also with a lot of these Android cameras becoming better and better. I think Snapchat has now been able to go ahead and utilize a lot of the stock camera features. Now, one thing I've always saw before is with video, it's always been kind of just not that great, but right now it's never been better. You can see from the video playback right now, it is basically almost the same thing as making a video on Snapchat on an iPhone. I had several iPhones I've tested it, iPhone 13 here, iPhone 10 over there, on varying capabilities, and even on stock Android, it's rocking extremely well. Now, I want to also add, there was a time, basically like 2-3 years ago, where features on your Android device on Snapchat would not be there. Nowadays, as I mentioned before, Snapchat has been making so many improvements. So and now a lot of those features that you normally would have are actually here. Now, I still think iPhones have a little bit more of an edge up with the camera quality, but I still think with all these features being brought in, I think Snapchat is probably, been at its strongest point right now on Android than ever before. But I also want to bring up one last thing, and this is what's crazy. The future of Snapchat has pretty much humongous potential. If you all remember when the Samsung Galaxy S22 came out, they basically gave word to us that, and this is a Pixel, but they basically said that they are working with Snapchat and other social media applications to actually bring stock camera features into Snapchat application. Now, I will say on stock Android, there aren't really any crazy camera features built in straight from here that you can't already do on like the Snapchat app. In fact, I think on Snapchat, there's probably more features built in than the stock Android application for camera. But for things like Samsung's and for things like other phones out there with skinned versions of Androids, they have so many features built in, it's not even funny. I have a feeling that very, very soon Snapchat could actually end up bringing some really cool features into our Snapchat application that our stock camera applications also don't have. Now, I think this could possibly lead to, our camera application within Snapchat being almost a designated camera to use if they can start porting over some of those Samsung features into the Snapchat application. Snapchat already has done this and worked with Samsung for the Samsung Galaxy S22. So for the fact that this application has gotten so much better, it's so much smoother, but also this application quality has gotten so much better, I think the last thing they can do, if they can just port over those features, I think that would be a really cool thing, and that would honestly make me switch from using the stock camera application on here to using the Snapchat application. So that kind of covers it. I'm kind of excited for the future of Snapchat on Android. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.